guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a no makeup look. This is my no makeup look. I literally put this and just go out and run some errands. If I have to do chores around the house, edit with this look, at least I look like really nice and like bright, you know. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, the only way for you guys to check out how this look turned out is if you keep watching. So let's go. I'm gonna start by priming my face, you know, keep it like nice, healthy, natural. This is the Urban Decay B6. It's a vitamin infused complexion prep priming spray. So you shake it well. Every single time I put this on, it feels so good. I don't know, I feel like energized or something. This is the Origins GinZing Energy Boosting Moisturizer. So this is how it looks. I really want to buy the full product because whenever I need to get shit done, I feel like this helps me a lot, because I don't know if it's because you inhale it or what, but I know it's like as soon as I apply it, I have so much energy, and it smells, I don't like the smell because I don't like oranges, but my skin has been so dry over here on this area, and it's because it's been cold lately. It's been like cold. Okay, now I'm gonna use a brow, and yes, I'm doing my brows on camera. I like Colors Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Soft Brown. Just like that, nice and simple yet super natural looking. I don't go all out on them whenever I'm just gonna run a couple of errands that aren't like no biggie. Now I'm gonna take the NYX Professional Total Control Drop Primer. I like to put a lot on my cheeks. Let me tell you when I say a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm not applying foundation. So I'm gonna put some under my eye, of course. I'm not gonna go all the way in, like out. I'm just gonna blend it. When I blend it, I just go all the way out, you know. Wherever I have like black spots and areas, I'm gonna take the Airspun loose face powder, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit amount under my eye where I put concealer. I'm gonna go with a small brush, and I'm literally applying so little. I'm just gonna put very tiny bit under my eye. Now I'm gonna take an actual powder foundation. This is by Bettina. I like to use this. This is amazing. And I'm gonna take like a tiny bit, and I'm gonna put it on my chin. I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna take these two. This is the Better Than Sex mascara and the Roller Lash mascara. Now for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna take the Supersizer from COVERGIRL. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of the Wet n Wild highlighter powder because I always like to have a nice glow on my skin. So I'm gonna put with my finger just a tiny bit right there. And I also, with what's left, I like to put on my nose. The reason why I'm filming over here is because my back hurts really bad. I think I have espasmo. That's how you say it in Spanish, but I don't know how you say it in English. And yo, you guys, it hurts so bad and I can't sit on the floor, so I was like, I'm just gonna sit here. Okay, now I have this brush of blush and it has already blush in it, so I'm gonna, usually I just go in with what's left and I put a tiny bit, like not tiny bit, just what's left in the brush. And now I'm gonna set my face with a little bit of a MAC Fix Plus. Now, last but not least, I'm gonna take a little bit of lip balm and put it in my lips. You can take any lip balm you want, honestly. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys want more simple type of looks, and I'd be willing to give them to you. I hope that you guys enjoy this. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe.